Tinapos na ng aktres na si Kim Chiu ang usap-usapan kaugnay sa issue nilang magkapatid na sila Cam dahil sa pera. Ngayong araw ay nagsampa na ng kaso si Kim sa kanyang ate. Qualified theft ang sinampang kaso ni Kim Chiu laban kay Cam. Ayon sa kampo ni Kim ay bago pa man humantong sa korte ang problema nilang magkapatid ay pinilit pa umanong ayusin ito ng pribado. Ngunit dahil sa tila walang pagbabago ay nakapagdesisyon na ang aktres na daanin sa legal na paraan ang problema nila Cam. Napag-alaman ni Kim na malaki ang nawawalang pera sa kanyang business assets. Hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman na ang kapatid nitong sila Cam ang may hawak ng kanyang mga negosyo. Labag man umano sa loob ni Kim na sampahan ng kaso sila Cam, ngunit kailangan daw niya itong gawin upang maprotektahan ang kanyang mga naipundar na negosyo at maging ang mga tao na nagtatrabaho sa kanyang kumpanya. I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Lakambini Chiu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself, but also for the brand and community that has supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding, respect, as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved. It involved a huge amount. You can't blame her. She's been very kind and financially supportive to her family, and it's just so sad they took advantage of her kindness. Di naman yan siguro sasampahan kung di pa ulit-ulit gumagawa ng kalokohan. Saka if napuno na si Kim, business is business, walang kapatid. Tama lang yan, makaka-relate ang mga business owners dyan lalo na kung sariling kapamilya ay may abusado. I think Kim Chiu did what she felt was necessary. When you trust someone, especially family, with your business and later discover a substantial amount missing, it can be painful and shocking. Filing a case isn't easy, but sometimes taking legal steps is the only way to protect yourself and get clarity on what really happened. It doesn't mean she loves her sister any less. It just means she's standing up for herself and her hard-earned work. Family issues are complicated, but accountability is still important. That sentiment reflects a common belief in the unconditional and unbreakable nature of familiar bond. Many people hold the view that the connection between siblings is fundamentally different from other relationships and that blood ties should endure despite any conflicts, mistakes, or wrongdoings that might occur. This perspective often emphasizes forgiveness.